Servant Keeper makes it very easy to record contributions and report to donors. Simply enter the donor's initials or portion of their name, and their name will autofill in the entry field. Complete the entry by entering the check number, the amount of the gift, and the fund they wish to give to. You can also enter contributions by envelope number. Enter the pre-assigned envelope number and the contribution will be associated with that donor in System Preferences. You can choose to hide a donor's name from the person doing the entry if you wish to retain confidentiality. It's very easy to do split contributions in Servant Keeper. Simply enter the amount and select the fund for the first portion of the split transaction. Then enter the amounts and corresponding funds for the remaining donations. It's just that easy. Servant Keeper also makes it easy to track non-cash gifts. Simply select non-cash. You can use the notes field to describe what the non-cash gift was, and Servant Keeper will allow you to put a $0 amount in the amount field. Servant Keeper also makes it easy to track bulk or loose plate giving that is not tied to a specific donor. You can enter the amount or use the currency calculator, then select a fund for the cash contributions. A great feature in Servant Keeper is the ability to add new visitors within the entry screen as you are entering contributions. This keeps the process moving forward. The new person will be added to the membership database so they will receive the appropriate follow-up that you have in place. Once you've entered your contributions for that batch, you're ready to post. Simply click Post and set up the batch information. Select the date to tie to this batch. You can name the batch. You can have multiple batches per day, and can type in whatever comments you feel are appropriate for this batch. Before you post, you can verify your bank deposit, making sure that you have counted all of the cash that has come in. You can also do some batch reports such as a proof list. This will show all of the contributions you entered for this batch, as well as an account summary report, which shows how much came into each account for this batch. All of these reports can be emailed to the appropriate board members, or whoever you might feel that it's appropriate to send to. Bank deposit reports will save you a lot of time. It will instantly print out all of the check numbers with the corresponding amounts, even a currency breakdown for that batch, and the batch check images if you've used our check scanners to scan your checks. Under System Preferences, you can select if you want to post your file in a format that will be imported into QuickBooks. You can also set Servant Keeper to automatically open up your accounting program once a new batch is posted. Just click Post and Finalize Batch, and Servant Keeper will then launch your accounting program. It'll bring in your account totals through the import feature so that there's no double entry. The details of who gave what is retained in Servant Keeper for your reporting purposes and can be used to create contribution statements. To produce these statements, the first thing you do is select a date range. Then you select either an individual or family statement. Choose your statement style and who you would like to send statements to. There are a variety of statement options in Servant Keeper that you can select very quickly and easily. You can even specify which accounts you want to display on the statement. It only takes a few seconds to run your statements. As you can see, we have a detailed statement that shows every gift that the donor gave in the specified date range, as well as what accounts the gifts were attributed to. These statements fit nicely into a 2-window envelope so that you don't even need to use labels, which is a huge time saver. You can also email your statements and go paperless. Your donors will love that you are saving time, money, paper, and making it more convenient for them.